What up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Update World, where I make videos on how to make money online, investment platform reviews, how to do some certain things online, and some other things that you will like. Well, I created a Telegram channel also where you can get daily updates from me. So if you like to check it out, you can check the link in the description below. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video of the day. So guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use trustwallet, how you can download trustwallet, and how you can use trustwallet to send and receive cryptos. Well, to download trustwallet, just go to your app store or your play store and search for trustwallet. This is the real one because I heard that they have started uploading the fake trustwallet app. So as you can see, this is the real one, trustwallet crypto and bitcoin wallet. So trustwallet is owned by Binance, where digital assets are stored like crypto, that is bitcoin, ethereum and all that. So all you need to do is, after seeing it, you just click on download. Well, for me, I've already downloaded it. So after downloading it, you click open to check what is inside. So after opening it, you will see create new wallet, or I already have a wallet. So for checking out I already have a wallet is when maybe you already have a wallet, or maybe you deleted your trust wallet but you are still holding your 12 phrase word that trust wallet generated for you. So you can just click on I already have a wallet, then click on multi-coin wallet, then you input the 12 phrase that trustwallet gave to you. But for the purpose of this video, we'll just move into create a new wallet. So once you want to create a new wallet, this is the 12-word phrase. You will see a 12-word phrase that you will maybe copy somewhere. With that 12-word phrase, if you mistakenly lost it or give it to anyone, the person might gain access to your wallet. So you have to keep it safe. All you need to do, copy and follow the procedures laid down with the trust wallet. So after following the procedures guys, and click on create account, then the wallet will automatically create. Okay, look at what I just created now for the purpose of this video. Yeah, this is the wallet. So let's begin with the main tutorial of the video. So first, let's move to setting. This wallet, in this place you can add new wallet here in this plus button here. Let me give you the direction. This plus button here, you can add new wallet by clicking on it. Then this is the wallet I've created. You can see I have 3 wallets in this place. In trust wallet, you can create limited wallets. It doesn't have minimum or maximum. Keep creating if you like. So you can just click on this button here, for this wallet that I just created. So once you click on the button, the 3 button here, you can change the name of the wallet. You can just say, let me put it as YouTube money, or YouTube crypto, anything you want to put it. Then in this place, show recovering phrase. That is, maybe you mistake or you lost the recovering phrase, or you couldn't remember where you copied it. You can just click on show recovering phrase and you will see your 12 code again. So let's move on. This second place, dark mode, is to change it to light or dark. You can, as see, just click on dark, change back. Then security, you can put a password. If you are using a bigger phone, you can put fingerprint mode, anyhow, to improve your security of trust wallets. Then this push notification. Once you want to get, you can set a push notification for any of your crypto to be getting alerts when there is a decrease or an increase in the price. So you can just set allow. As you can see, I allowed my own, and just set any crypto that you want to be receiving update. That is same with this price alert again. Then for preference, this preference here, for preference, this is where you can change your currency. Yeah, you can change it to USD, RUB, Bitcoin. But for me, I'm in Nigeria now, so I will just go and look for my country, then Naira. Just click on it. Automatically, it will change here. Look at it. The price is showing in Naira. If you change it to any country again, it will still be showing in that countries. Then in this help center, join the community. This is where you'll be getting update on the Trust Wallet. Maybe follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and all that. So if like you have a crypto you want to add, you have a crypto you want to add to Trust, because in here now currently you will see that yeah, they only have Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, and Tron. So maybe you have fake or other crypto you will love to add. You can just click on here, this button here. You can just click on there. Just click on there. Then you can do this in two types. Either typing the name of the wallet, either typing the name of the crypto you want, or pasting the contract address of the things. So to get the contract address of any coin, I will make a video in that later, so make sure you subscribe and turn off the notification button to get notified when I post videos like that. So this feg now, you can just check any of the crypto you want, feg wrap, BTC, feg wrap. You can just select this one now, feg wrap. Just turn it off, then go back, then you see there it's already here. Look at it, this is it, feg wrap. So that is for that. Then let's move to finance, this second button at the top. Then this place, this is taking, maybe you have if you have a crypto of any of these like Agorand, Cosmos, Tron, any of these, you can decide to stake it with this Trust Wallet to get more crypto. Staking is just the process of investing to get more. Maybe I have and before staking, maybe you have any crypto, check their APR. Like this, Agorand is 6% APR, Cosmos 7% APR. So maybe I have Tron now. Just click on this more button, these three buttons at the last. Then you can see stake, on stake, claim reward, and stake details. So maybe you press on stake. So you input the amount of Tron you want to stake, input the amount. Then this place Tron family, this is where you are investing your Tron into, and checking the APR is 0.74%. that's what you'll be getting. And once you stake any of your crypto, it will be locked for 3 days. Once it's locked for 3 days, that is after 3 days you can unstake or withdraw. But within that 3 days you stake, you can't withdraw, you can't do anything with that. So that's for staking. Then collectibles, there's nothing too much about those collectibles. So let's move to sending. You want to send crypto, then click on send. Once I don't have any asset, just click on Bitcoin. Like you want to send Bitcoin, then click on send in Bitcoin. Then copy the recipient address of the person that you are sending it to, then you paste it here. Then after pasting, put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell and just press continue. Automatically it will send. But if you want to receive, you can press on receive, and this is the contract, this is the recipient address of your own. And every asset has different recipient address. Like for Bitcoin is different from Ethereum, so all of them have. Make sure you come to this place to copy. Then once you click on copy, you send to the person that want to send you the crypto. Automatically, once you paste it to that sending recipient address, you will get the crypto you want. Then you can also buy crypto in this Trust Wallet. You can buy crypto. It allows you also to buy crypto. So this is how you do it. Just click on buy button here, buy Bitcoin. You can buy any asset also. Then in this place, the minimum you can buy is $50. So that's why sometimes I don't really encourage buying this. But if you really have up to $50, you can just buy. You can buy more than but the maximum is $2,000. Then buy like $100. Then this is the third party provider. Third party provider is MoonPay. So once you just click on next, it will take you to another website entirely of MoonPay, where you put your credit card and automatically you buy the BTC. So let's move to the app at this down button. So this is just like a browser, like it's just like your normal browser, your Chrome and all those. Likewise, this is just a browser again where you search things related to cryptocurrency. Like this, the new the apps Dodo, FX, and DeFi. Again, you can see Pancake. So guys, I'll be making a different video entirely on the apps to explain the apps, because you have to really understand the app. So make sure you subscribe also. Then I'll be telling you how to claim airdrops using PancakeSwap, how to swap your crypto using PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and others. So make sure you subscribe to get updates when I post. So let's go to this down here. This DEX. So let's go to this DX. This DFX is for swapping cryptos. Maybe you have BNB, you can swap it by putting the amount 100 and the amount you get in this thing. Just you can click on the BNB to select any of the cryptos you have to swap. I think I'm having a network issue. But just once you just click on it, it will take you to the cryptos you have, any of the crypto you have. This is the only crypto that is allowed for swapping. So check any of the one. If you have any of them, then you can use it to swap to the cryptos you want. So guys, I think we have been able to cover everything you have to know. So make sure you subscribe, because I'll be posting many videos soon relating to everything we have said, like explaining it individually, so that you might be able to understand it, like the practical essence, like this sending and receive. I'll be making a videos that will teach you live, when I'll be sending live to people, when I'll be sending real crypto asset. That is the practical aspect of this video. I'll be posting them soon. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Share, like, comment. Thanks for watching.